Hey guys, today's video is gonna be all about the time it took me to go get groceries, come back and meal prep. I was shocked actually. You're gonna freak out. You're probably not gonna believe this. I went to the grocery store at 10:50 a.m. I left my house at 10:50 to drive to the grocery store, spent $220 on groceries for the next couple weeks. I'll show you everything I got, but I left at 10:50, came back and I was like, I'm gonna start meal prepping all my food for the week. I'm just gonna cook up all the meat and the rice, and it's 12:24. I went to the grocery store at 10:50, bought everything, came back, brought everything in my house, started cooking, just finished cooking and putting everything away by 12:24. That is an hour and a half to go buy groceries, bring them back in, and meal prep for a week. Check this.
Results here. I'm gonna take this chicken off of here. So these are chicken thighs, skinless, boneless. This is extra lean ground beef. I cooked all that. These are more chicken thighs. This is a massive bowl of rice. It's gonna last me a long ass time. And then I'll show you the rest of the groceries I bought. So this fridge was basically empty. I bought all of the skyr yogurt here because this is like my favorite yogurt ever. I mix my protein in there with my berries and nuts. You've seen all that. Eggs, egg whites, tomatoes, cucumber, more tomatoes, more cucumber, lettuce and spinach in there, cashew milk, some fruits, more cashew milk, some Bolthouse Farms dressing, some more cashew milk, and then in the freezer, we got frozen berries and frozen mixed vegetables with some chicken breast and more chicken thighs. That's everything I ended up buying.
Grand total of $220. I was actually really shocked. I knew that I could do this real quickly, but an hour and a half to buy everything, bring it back, cook it, and put it away, it's amazing. So we have no excuse. We have absolutely no excuse when it comes to meal prep. If we say that we don't have time to meal prep, we're just lying to ourselves. So next time you want to say, I don't have time to meal prep, admit that you just don't want to make the time. And there's time. The time is there, and it doesn't take long at all. You could say, if you're super slow, you could say that it would take you 1 hour twice a week to meal prep if you're really slow. It took me an hour and a half to go buy the groceries and do the meal prep. So if you're really slow, you might need 1 hour twice a week. That's nothing. We can fit that in. We can find an hour here and there. Come on now. I'd highly suggest we implement this tip here. Those are some of the groceries I personally use. Let me know what foods you kind of have. I'm actually starting to eat more now because I'm kind of done cutting, so I'm just maintaining my physique. I'm about 174, 175 pounds, having about 2,500 calories a day. If you want to see full days eating vlogs, if you want to see some more training, if you want to see what I do on a daily basis, just leave me in the comments below. That's it, just let you, this whole video, quick video, just message here was to go ahead and meal prep. Wow, so my fire alarm just went off because there's too much smoke in here. Too much meal prep was going on too quickly, and fire alarm went off, and I just spent like literally 15 minutes straight just fanning the alarm. I was going, took a while, but it's all good now. You can always see if it's steamy in here, I don't know, a little bit, but I was like, wow, man, when is this gonna end? It ended, but that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more vlogs, more informative fitness content, finance content, and then my experiences at music festivals. Next music festival will be in March, Ultra. I'll see you in the next video.